My name is Richard Willis. I'm an aircraft maintenance technician, and I maintain the aircraft to keep them in a safe flying order. It could be an easy night where you're just checking tires and brakes, or you could have to take the engine off, put a new engine on, and the fact that you could get to do that and then watch it leave in the morning, it's great.
Like your parents' car mechanic, Richard works to make sure the whole of the plane is ready to go, especially the tires.
But we also maintain tire pressures and tread depths on the aircraft tires to ensure we get the full life out of the tire, and we don't have any failures of the tire on takeoff, landing, the important phases of it.
To guarantee a smooth landing, Richard must check the tire tread and pressure, like a car. He uses fractions and decimals to understand the values. In class, you may use these precise measurements to understand how small parts of a number can add up to a larger whole number.
It's cool to work on planes. I mean, it is. I mean, it's not your mom and dad's car where it can pull over on the side of the road. It's great to know that I geek out about it. It's exciting.
Learn about this job and more at jobhop.org.